Hello. Today we're going to be talking about the Wellness Company. Let me know in the comments if you shop there or if you've just been curious about what is it, how does it all work, this shop club or this wellness shopping club online. So I'm going to share with you today an unboxing of my most recent shipment that just arrived to my door. And I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got. We are about to go on vacation. So these are some vacation essentials and some other things. So I'm going to jump into it, share with you what I got, why I love these things. But just so you know, this is an online shopping club that has been saving families so much money. So right now, the prices of everything are crazy. I will go to Target and I get 2 bags and it's $200 or something crazy. And I'm like, what did I buy, right? So if you're tired of feeling like that, then keep watching because a lot of these products are so much more affordable and also so much better and so much better quality. So I am going to leave in the description box below a little form for you to fill out. If you are interested in shopping from the Wellness Company, then just fill out that form and I will be in touch and we'll see if it's a good fit for your family or not, okay? So let's jump into it. So the first things that I got, so these are from the beauty line. It's called Sabella. And the first thing that I got, and this was brand new for me, this one is the tinted BB cream. It has SPF 20 sunscreen. So my thought was I can use this while we're on vacation to get a little bit of coverage and a glowy vibe without feeling like I'm smothered in sunscreen because I don't like that feeling on my face. And listen, I tried it this morning. That's what I'm wearing right now. The coverage is unreal for a BB cream and it is so affordable. So I am so excited about this one. Another favorite from the Sabella line, and I mean favorite. I've always been a lip gloss junkie. Let me know in the comments if that's you. I always have all these different lip glosses, right? This is the best lip gloss I've ever used. I love their lip gloss. First of all, it smells good. It smells like, I don't know, cookies? I don't know. Maybe not cookies, but it smells good. And it's not sticky. It actually has hyaluronic acid in it. So it is anti-aging for your lips. And it also I don't want to say plumps them, but hyaluronic acid holds onto moisture. So it keeps them moist and it keeps them glowing and fresh. So this, and it comes in tons of different colors. So I love this lip gloss. This is a must have for me. Another thing that I got, and this one was really cool because it was a buy one, get one free special. So when you are shopping from the Wellness Company, they'll throw in extra bonus deals. And sometimes it'll be buy one, get one free or buy one, get one 10 or 20 bucks off, whatever it is. So I got buy one, get one free. So I actually got 2. This one's still in the box. This is a vitamin C serum, defense and repair treatment serum. This has made my skin a lot brighter. So I use this every single day after I cleanse. I use it morning and night, right after I cleanse and before my moisturizer. I love this stuff. It's super light. It's not greasy. It is phenomenal. And it's high quality. I love it. Another thing, so I started using this before I got the BB cream because I just got the BB cream. This one is their foundation and it's the Flawless Liquid Foundation. It also has SPF. It's got SPF 15 and the coverage on this is fantastic. I've had this one for a long time. It literally lasts forever, but this has fantastic coverage. I'm almost out of it. This is in the color, let's see, 340N is the color that I got in this, just for reference. And then the BB cream, I ended up getting color 320C. So just for reference, if you're yes, I need that BB cream, then that's the color that I'm wearing. The last thing I think from that line that I got in this box is the dry shampoo. So I used this morning. My hair was gross this morning and it kind of looks like I just washed it today, but I didn't. So that's the beauty of dry shampoo. And I don't know if you know this, but a lot of dry shampoos have been recalled lately for the ingredients that they have with them. This is safe, non-toxic. Every single thing from the Wellness Company you can trust to be safe and non-toxic for your health and for your home and for your family. So I love that. just knowing that I don't have to like do the research, that like I'm buying it from the store, like we're good to go. So anyway, this works super, super well. And I'm also gonna use this when I'm on vacation. This is like a little hack for you. If you spray your beach hat with dry shampoo and then wear it, it doesn't like, your hair doesn't get all gross. So it helps your hair to stay fresh all day, even when you're wearing your beach hat. So that's one of the things that I got for vacation. It's all from the beauty line that I got in this shipment. There is so much more. Their mascara is fantastic. Like, I can't say enough about it. But anyway, the next thing that I got for vacation is sunscreen. So I got 2 spray sunscreens because I like the spray. It's easier for my kids. They do have like the liquid sunscreen too. This one is SPF 50, which I love. It's water resistant for 80 minutes, fast and even coverage. And what I also like about their sunscreen is that it's cruelty-free, non-toxic, and reef safe. So meaning like it's not gonna harm the fishies or the animals in the ocean. So I love their sunscreen, super affordable. And this one actually I think was a deal this time too. So I love the little deals that they do at the end. They were like $5 off or something. So I got 2. Speaking of sun, I also got the Sunshades After Sun Hydrogel E. So it cools and soothes the overexposed skin, meaning like if you get a little sunburn, I want to follow up with this. And you just never know with kids, right? So we're going to be out in the sun a lot. This has algae extract, aloe vera, T36C5 melaleuca oil, and botanicals. So it says it instantly cools overexposed skin, soothes dryness, and so you're ready to go outside again. So definitely need that. And I grabbed more deodorant because I was almost out and we're gonna be sweating a lot. So this one is the Afina, and it's in the scent Sweet Cream and Willow. It's an antiperspirant and deodorant, non-toxic, safe for my body, and actually works. Okay, like I don't know if you've tried non-toxic deodorant before, but like every time I try to do that, I just end up stinking, and then I just end up going to like Target and buying, I don't know, Secret or whatever. But that's really not that good for you. So I have been loving this one. It smells really, really good. Oh my gosh, I love it. It smells so good, actually works, okay? The next thing I got, well, while we're talking about like cleanliness, I will share with you the next thing is this Aloe 3-in-1 hair and body wash. It's 3-in-1, so it's like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And this one, the Aloe is kind of like their men's line. So it does have kind of like a manly scent, but not too manly, but like I love the smell of this. Like, I love it. Like my husband uses this, and it doesn't come with this, but you can add it on for like $1, and we just replace it every time. But a little pump, so it's super easy. I have this also in my 8-year-old's shower. I have 3 boys, and boys are like all about simplicity, right? So a pump of this for your hair, a pump of this for your body, and you're good to go. Like we don't have multiple bottles sitting around. It actually is really nice. So I love this for my son's shower too. The next thing I got for vacation is the Mela brush. I got it in the little packs so that I could just take this and I don't have to worry about like liquid, because we're driving there. And so I don't want to worry about, you know, anything spilling or anything. So if we need to wash some clothes on vacation, I just am going to bring some of these little packets and throw it in the washer that way. So this is actually, it has like plus oxy. So it's really good for like fighting stains and brightening. It's color safe. So this is awesome, awesome option. And I also love their liquid laundry detergent. I use the lavender one, and it smells so good, and like my clothes smell so good after. And I also get the lavender scent booster. It smells so good. I don't know about you, but like I love for my clothes and stuff to smell good, but I don't want to put like toxic, nasty ingredients on our clothes, because your skin is the largest organ of your body. Whatever you put on it, it is going to absorb, and it absorbs in your body, and then your body has to figure out what to do with all that. And so if you're putting chemicals on your body, it's not good for your health. So I love that when I shop here, I'm safe, we're good to go, and it's such good products. The other thing about the laundry detergent is it is so much more affordable than any other laundry detergent on the market. It smells better, it cleans better, it works in hot or cold water. So like you don't have to worry about having to wash your clothes in hot or warm water. So it saves you energy because you can wash your clothes cold and it'll still come out great. So love that about their laundry detergent. While we're talking about home stuff, this is the foaming hand soap. So if you are a person that is like, I love like the Bath and Body Works foaming hand soap, then you will love this because it smells just as amazing. It's foaming, which I love for my kids because I don't know why, but I feel like it covers more of their hands because it spreads out more and they like the feeling of it. So they want to like rub it. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's my theory. So anyway, this is the foaming hand soap, but it's non-toxic. So it doesn't have all those icky ingredients that are not good for your body, because that's the last thing I want my kids putting on their hands all day, every day, or myself or anyone else that I love. So I got the pump that goes with it, and then you just put that on there and you've got your foaming hand soap. The other thing that I got, because I have a lot of these around the house that I need to refill, is I got the foaming hand soap refill so that I can just go around the house and like refill them and I don't have to keep buying these. So that is also like a money saver. And this one was also on like one of my special options this month. So I was like, heck yeah, give me the refill. It's already saving me money and it was on sale. So the other thing I got, this isn't really for vacation, but it kind of is, because keeping your kids' immune system working well is really important. So this is actually a daily probiotic for kids. Like, it's formulated for kids. This was on a special also. So I got a really good deal on 2 boxes, and it's basically like a little pixie stick. And so the kids they can eat it like this. I'm sure you can like mix it with water or throw it in a smoothie too. This is a strawberry flavor. It has 7 strains for kids, 5 billion active cultures. And so I'm really excited to give this to my kids, because I had one kid that just went through a round of antibiotics. And if you've been around a while on my channel, you know that I'm a nurse and I am like big on probiotics. I'm always educating patients because if they've had antibiotics, the antibiotics do their job. They come in and kill the bacteria. But the thing is, in your gut, you have to have a balance. So when the antibiotics come in and they kill all of the bacteria, even the good bacteria that helps fight off the bad stuff, now you have an imbalance. And that is where problems start happening in your gut. And so one of my kids was just on antibiotics and I'm like, okay, we got to get this probiotic stuff under control, right? So I grabbed these little stick packs to give them. And I love that it's formulated for kids. So they also have one that's formulated for adults. I think it's like in a capsule form, but I'm sure you could like open the capsule if you needed to like mix it with smoothies or whatever. But I'm excited to give these to the kids. And then the last thing that I got, and definitely not least, is this electrolyte stick packs. So we're going to Florida. It's going to be super hot. We're going to be sweating and we need to replenish with electrolytes. Okay. So here's the deal. You can buy Gatorade anywhere, but the problem with Gatorade is that there are colors and chemicals in the Gatorade that is not good for your health. I'm not saying every once in a while, like if that's the only option, that's fine. But like if you're looking for something on an everyday basis, you need to be mindful of like what you're putting in your body every day, because every little bit counts when you're cutting down toxins in your life, in your home, in what you consume and what you put on your body. Every little bit counts. It's so important. So this is a hydration drink, and it's important to also understand that like when you're sweating out electrolytes, okay? And so electrolytes, for example, potassium, sodium, those type of things, magnesium. And so when you are sweating, you're losing all of those, okay? And if you don't replenish them, again, now you have like an imbalance in your body, and that actually does cause problems if the imbalance goes too far, okay? So super important to hydrate. I love these stick packs. It also comes in a jar form, so I use this every day. So I like to have the jar form too, just because This is easier for on the go. This is easier for like when I'm just making myself like a drink at home, or like putting a little in the kids' water to get them some hydration. So I love these options. They're so good. And they're, like I said, everything is so much more affordable, okay? Like for real. I was drinking that, what's it called? Liquid IV, and that stuff is like expensive. I realized it. So this is so much more affordable. It tastes a lot better. It's so much better for you. So I love this stuff. And then there actually is one more thing. Oh, we cannot forget about this. Oh my gosh. So this one is the magnesium supplement, and 75% of Americans are deficient in magnesium, and magnesium helps with so many things in your body. It's going to help you get better sleep. So if you're struggling with sleep and falling asleep, staying asleep, getting a deep, restful sleep, you need magnesium. It's going to help to lower your stress levels. So if you are a person that has a high level of stress in your life, if you have a job, if you're a mom, anything, like we all have stress in our life. So this is actually going to help you reduce the stress, have more of a sense of calm feeling. And the other thing that it can do is really help to relax your muscle. It relaxes smooth muscle. And if you have any muscle cramps or you're working out a lot, it's very important to replenish with magnesium. So this one is just 1 scoop in water, and I do this every single night, and I feel so much better when I'm using this. So that is everything that I got in my most recent wellness box from the Wellness Company. If you're interested in any of the products, or you're just like, how do I shop from here? Fill out the form in the description box below, and I will personally be in touch with you to chat with you more about the Wellness Company. Thanks for watching. Bye.